Thank you so much, shifu. Hey there, welcome to today's video. I'm Avril from A-Star Vlog. Today we have received a special invitation from Super Crab Singapore to visit one of their kitchens. Now this is really interesting because every time we order crabs from Super Crab Singapore, we don't know what actually happens behind the scenes. The crabs that you order from Super Crab Singapore are premium Sri Lankan super crabs. These crabs are selected by the specialty seafood chef, which really means that you are ordering the best, biggest, juiciest, scrumptious crabs. This is the very first time you will get to see what actually happens behind the scenes in the Super Crab Singapore's kitchen. With that, let's go. Hi shifu, hello. Now this is shifu and he's our seafood expert. He's going to show us how he's going to cook black pepper crab today, right?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. The first thing he does, you can see he has added pepper in as well as some of the herbs, and that is black pepper. Wow, all the secret sauce that he's adding.
And you can actually smell the aroma once you put all these ingredients in.
Now one of the things that I note is that we cannot actually replicate whatever he's doing because the fire that we have at home is always very small. So this really means that the crabs that you order from Super Crab Singapore is going to be very different. They have the kind of fire, the kind of heat that can actually simmer and infuse all the very nice succulent juices into your crabs. Shifu is actually adding the crabs into the black pepper sauce and allowing the sauce some time to infuse into the crabs. Whoa, look at that. All the steam coming out, the aroma is so nice. Thank you so much, shifu.
Okay.
Wow, just look at this. Now this is the final product. Look at how huge this crab is. This is the size of one of the claws. It's actually the size of my palm. They call this premium Sri Lankan super crabs. These are the best of the best. They're large crabs, and when you bite in, you will actually feel all the juice just go into your mouth. Now if you love crabs just like me, give Super Crab Singapore a try. Now why don't you imagine yourself enjoying this crab together with your friends and family, your relatives. Everyone will thank you so much for it because these crabs are just so amazing. These are not small crabs. Now they have a variety of crabs. They have black pepper crabs, chili crabs, salted egg crabs. One of the best things about their food is that none of their food has MSG or Ajinomoto, so it's really healthy. So if you want to enjoy this crab as well as any other flavors of crab, just make your way to www.supercrab.sg and make your order online. Now they don't have a physical store, so you can't go down to collect it, but they will send it right to your doorstep where you get to enjoy their wonderful, succulent, really aromatic crabs with your friends and family. Now I hope you enjoyed this kitchen tour. I'll see you in the next one. Stay cool, stay awesome, and be your best always. Bye!